cool. Inn. Let's go into the inn.
Let's go in the inn.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if this is offensive. Welcome to Snowden. Snowden's premier hotel.
It's so offensive.
One night is 80G.
She sounds French.
Yeah, let's stay. Here's your room key. Make sure to bundle up.
Okay.
What the hell are they?
The people.
That's weird.
Just having a nice snooze.
Hiya! You look like you had a great sleep.
Oh my god.
Which is incredible, because you were only up there for about 2 minutes. Here's your money back. You can only pay me if you're going to stay overnight.
Well. That's the same voice.
Mommy said you should sleep and you recover your health.
What if they had this? What if all rabbits sounded like that?
That'd be great.
What's maximum HP?
What's maximum HP? Okay, let's see what... Oh, whoa, oh no,
What did you
crap.
do?
I went into a
You
kennel.
ruined the game.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go back in.
Oh my, jeez.
I'm sorry.
Jeez.
Let's go back in.
Look at all those lovable characters you can speak
Yeah, okay. Oh no, they're more rabbits.
to.
This is fire to cinema! Just a cute test!
Oh my
But
god.
then that's all normal!
What is wrong with you?
Something over there to stop me!
Oh my god. Look, here's a bear now. Here's a bear.
Awful teens, tormented a local monster by decorating its tree like horns. So we started giving our monster presents to make it feel better.
You feel
Now it's
alright?
a tradition to put the presents underneath a decorated tree.
Do you need a moment, bear?
Oh no.
Present bear.
Okay. Do you want to do this one?
Yo! You're a kid too, right? I can tell, because you're wearing a striped shirt.
She's so happy.
Should I give them a different... Should I give them a French accent?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm trying to give everyone a different... different say species have the same accents, like...
This town doesn't have a mayor. But if there's ever a problem, a skeleton will tell a festal lady about it or something. Rawr, I'm a bear. That's politicians!
Politics specifically.
Yeah.
Thank you, Cookie Monster.
Cookie?
Wow, okay.
What the heck?
Okay, I'm so... yeah. No matter where I go, it's the same menu. The same people. Help! I want new drinks and health guide.
Well, Dave.
Show this one.
Isn't human food different from monster food? It does things like spoil, and when you eat it, it passes all the way through your whole body. Disgusting. I'd love to try it sometime.
Oh,
How's that?
that's good.
Did I capture?
You captured...
I'll do this guy too if you want. Are you struggling?
That should be okay.
Okay.
Hopefully.
I'll do this guy too if you want. He looks really cool. He's gonna... Doesn't he look so cool with his indoor shades?
Yeah.
The capital is getting pretty crowded, so I've heard they're gonna start moving it. I don't want to see the erasure of our local culture, but I definitely want to see some city slickers slip onto the butts. I think that'd be quite funny. Do you want to do this, sleepy duck?
Those dogs are part of the Royal Guard. They're the elite missionary group led by Undine. She's rude loud and beats up everybody who gets in her way.
You got a beautiful voice.
It's no wonder that all the kids want to grow up to be like her when they grow up. That makes so much sense.
Is that like a thing?
Yeah, well, for birds it is.
I put out a game with your ghost today. Someone told me that there are plenty of fish from the sea. Well, I'm taking it seriously. I'm literally going to make out with the fish.
It's playing poker against itself. It appears to be losing. Oh,
So such derpy.
wow.
Oh, that's the dog I killed.
Oh my god, yeah, you...
Oh no!
They remember...
Doggo would be in here.
Doggo would have been here if we didn't...
I know.
It's your fault.
Because I think I would jump into your lap and you. You killed Doggo!
Groovy said that he'd offer you a glass of water, but he doesn't touch the stuff.
That's because he's so hot.
Grilbs.
Oh, it's broken.
No, use that. This is about.
This character's gonna be so squeaky.
Yeah. Obviously, it's a mouse.
Everyone is always laughing and cracking jokes, trying to forget their modern crises.
Yes.
Given a scalding lack of sunlight, I will join them, but I'm just not very funny.
Okay, this guy's Satan, so I got the perfect voice for him.
We all know the Undertale has problems, but we smile anyway. Why? We can't do anything, so why be morose about it?
Such a good Satan voice there.
Thank you. Library.
Not.
Library.
That's not how you spell library. Is that how you spell library?
Library.
Library.
Look, it's exactly how you say it.
Yeah.
It's spelled like you say it.
Okay.
Library.
Hi, I'm Mike Wazowski. That look in your eye. You're someone that has trouble doing crosswords, aren't you? No, I find crosswords easy.
Oh, yeah, yes, we know.
It is misspelled. It is.
That's what I remember.
It's misspelled. I said it was misspelled.
I'm sorry.
I love working on the newspaper. There's so little to report. We just fit in with comics and games because that's how sad I am.
Cough, cough. When I was younger, my teachers gave me word searches when they ran out of assignments. I thought they were a waste of time, but look at me now. I'm the #1 word search creator in the entire underground. You realize this is a fucking library? Calm the fuck down. Seriously, I'm making word searches.
I don't understand the word library.
That's a library.
Ooh. This mailbox is labeled papyrus. Look inside. It's empty.
Oh, 3 guesses whose house this is.
It's locked.
No,
We'll never find out.
that's not good.
It's locked from the inside. What's that ice cube?
I don't know.
What?
Oh, it's fun. Oh, okay.
Well, you meant to go this way?
I don't know. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back for a second.
That looks dangerous.
Dangerous.
Danger.
Danger.
Lies ahead. High voltage.
Danger. Danger.
Run with this.
Let's go up this way.
That video inspired me to sing. Let's play Monsters and Humans. You aren't gonna make me be the human again, are you?
Ah, to be young again. The world sure felt boundless.
Ah, what a beautiful knock. Maybe if I don't answer, I'll hear it again. Ah, my patience rewards me. Ah. 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 Sorry, that was disturbing. Oh, look at this dude.
That's where the ice cubes come from.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. What's he have to say?
I don't know. I can't click on him.
No.
No.
Okay. I thought this is like they introduced themselves as Ice Wolf.
Oh.
But, okay. Yeah, just so you know, the name's Ice Wolf. Ice Wolf.
Ice wolf.
Nice Wolf. Don't do that. Okay.
You can edit this.
I can edit this, but like at this moment, I'm suffering. Why did you do that, Sean?
I'm sorry. I can't.
You could have
see.
held it in. God.
I could have.
Who's this?
Human. Allow me to tell you about some complex feelings. Feelings like the joy of finding another pasta lover.
Oh, that's rich.
The admiration for another's puzzle-solving skills. The desire to have a cool, smart person think you are cool. These feelings, they must be what you are feeling right now. I can hardly imagine what it must be like to feel that way. After all, I am very great. I don't ever wonder what having lots of friends is like. I pity you, lonely human. Worry not, you shall be lonely no longer. I, the great Papyrus, will be your... No, this is all wrong. I can't be your friend. You are a human. I must capture you. Then I can fulfill my lifelong dream. Powerful, popular, prestigious. That's Papyrus, the newest member of the Royal Guard.
Growl is now playing Total War.
Yeah, Toby.
Okay, nice to know. Alright.
Okay.
Papyrus blocks... Dude. I mean, this is your choice. I'm not meant to impact your play.
What? Flirting? So you finally reveal your ultimate feelings. Well, I'm a skeleton with high standards.
What could I choose?
Oh no, you're meeting all my standards. I guess this means I have to go on a date with you. Let's date later, after I capture you. Oh no, let's date later.
Okay. Flirt with him later. You flirt, but to no avail. Seems acting won't escalate this battle.
Let's date later.
Okay. Alright. Dab some bone cologne. You gonna attack him?
So you won't fight.
Nice. Well, you missed your thingy. Let's see how you handle my blue attack. Wow. Wow. How are you doing this? You're a pro.
I don't know.
This is the fabled blue attack. Oh.
You're blue now. That's my attack.
You're blue now.
I wonder what I should wear.
Dabs MTT brand something. Papyrus is too busy fighting to flirt back.
What? I'm not thinking about that date thing.
Nice move.
Ah.
Nice move. What you gonna do now? Papyrus is too busy fighting.
Hold up longer to jump higher. Jeez.
Oh. Cool.
That's good advice. It's nice of him to tell you this while he's trying to capture you. Alright, jump these bones. Damn bones. You know that's not doing anything, right? Aw, just a little tap. You care about him. You don't want to hurt him, really.
No.
MTT attraction slime behind his ear.
I can almost taste my future popularity.
Whoa! Jeez, dude. What is MTT brand
I
thingy?
have no idea.
Papyrus, head of the Royal Guard.
Realizes he doesn't have ears. Nice.